Good morning. Yesterday night, I could not sleep properly because there was an incident in some kind of noise inside my room. And let me show you what is the reason. Means one small rat, it actually went inside my table fan, and the blades of the fan could not move. It was making sound. So I woke up and saw that the rat has actually died away. Somehow it went inside this frame of the table fan and it died. I woke up near about 3:30 or 4 o'clock. This is the rat. It has died away actually, and the rat population inside our home and campus has really increased. Different variety of sizes of rats. And you can see my rose plant. It has bloomed, but the flower size is really so small. This is one, then these are few more, but the size of the flower has decreased. It is a winter plant. I think that is the reason that the blooms are so small now. And during the summer, during winter it blooms this much, means big, not like smaller ones. It really blooms big.